What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to get Animal Company without having mods. So first you need to go to the Meta App Store, search up, I think it's FD4, and then after you have that, type in tag. I think this is it. No, wait, I already have it on. It's H4K tag, and then when you get in it, you'll have the texture update. But if you want to get to when you get in, it'll be the mining update or something, I don't know. You need to go to that, and go to settings, and then do that, and then click which one you want to do. Mining update, which mining update just is winter, and then winter is winter. For some reason, you can't go to mining. But it takes forever for it to load. I've actually never the texture right. The update right after the texture view. It takes forever. Honestly, I'm just Diddy, hey yo.
I couldn't really do a quick intro. It's supposed to be this guy who joins. Wait, is Biggie online? Oh no. Okay, bro, what's up? Alright, come on.
Okay.
Alright, come on. Yeah.
And then boom, during the winter of oh my god, this game is crazy. Yeah, for some reason everyone's invisible. Oh yeah, you can give like you can spawn stuff without having mods. So you need to go to that, then click that, and then you have stuff.
I wish that I would stash. I want stash. I want my stash. I want my stash.
You have this.
Okay.
You have
We could just buy
boombox.
Wait, I can see the boombox, bro.
And
like,
that's crazy. But the money doesn't give you any money.
it's just fake, bro. Fake money, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I found real money, bro.
Yeah, ti sono aspects